Understanding idioms. Hold one's belly. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, hold one's belly. Idioms add color to our language, and understanding them is key to mastering English. So, if you've ever come across this phrase and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Hold one's belly is an idiom that is often used to describe a reaction to something extremely funny or amusing. It's the physical action of holding your stomach because you are laughing so hard. The phrase paints a vivid picture: someone laughing uncontrollably, holding their belly as if to keep themselves together. While the exact origin of hold one's belly is not clear, it's widely believed to stem from the natural human reaction to intense laughter. Throughout history, belly laughter has been associated with genuine, hearty laughter, and holding the belly is a spontaneous response during such moments. 1. After hearing the joke, Mike couldn't stop laughing and had to hold his belly. 2. The comedian was so hilarious that the entire audience was holding their bellies in laughter. 3. You'll hold your belly when you hear what happened at the office today, exclaimed Sarah, teasing an amusing story. While hold one's belly is a phrase understood by many English speakers, it's important to know the cultural context. This idiom is best used in informal settings and is perfect for describing moments of joy and amusement among friends and family. It might not be suitable for formal or professional conversations. And there you have it. Hold one's belly is all about expressing the uncontrollable joy of laughter. We hope this video has not only explained the phrase but also brought a smile to your face. Remember, idioms are the seasoning of language, and understanding them is a step closer to fluency. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.